Are you switching from Android to iPhone but worried about losing all your WhatsApp messages, media, and chat history? Don't worry, there's a reliable way to transfer everything safely without losing a single message. In this video, WeLines break it down step by step so you can move your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone with zero stress. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare both phones first. Make sure both your Android and iPhone are fully charged and connected to stable Wi-Fi. You'll also need your old Android phone, your new iPhone, the same phone number on both devices, and a USB-C to Lightning cable or a compatible adapter to connect the two phones. This process will only work during the initial setup of your iPhone, so if you've already set it up, you'll need to reset it before continuing. Step 2. Use Move to iOS app on your Android device. Go to the Google Play Store and download the Move to iOS app. This app is designed by Apple to help users switch from Android to iPhone easily. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions until you see the option to connect to your iPhone. Meanwhile, on your iPhone, begin the setup process until you reach the Apps and Data screen. There, select Move Data from Android. Your iPhone will display a one-time code. Enter that code into the Move to iOS app on your Android. The phones will now connect directly, no internet required. Step 3. Select WhatsApp data on the transfer screen. You'll see a list of content you can move like messages, contacts, and calendars. Make sure to select WhatsApp from the list. The app will prepare your WhatsApp data for transfer. Once ready, tap Continue. Now, wait while the process completes. Depending on how much data you have, it could take a few minutes to finish. Step 4. Install WhatsApp on iPhone. After the data transfer is complete, continue setting up your iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, go to the App Store and install WhatsApp. When you open WhatsApp, log in using the same phone number you used on your Android device. You'll be prompted that a transfer was detected. Tap Start, and WhatsApp will begin restoring your chats. Once complete, your messages, media, and settings will appear just like they were on your Android phone. Step 5. Double-check now. Take a moment to double-check everything. Open group chats, view old media files, test voice notes. If everything looks good, you're done. Your WhatsApp is now successfully moved to your iPhone without any data loss. Switching phones doesn't have to mean losing memories. With this method, you'll keep every message, every photo, and every emoji just like it was. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Isn't it amazing that you can move all those precious chats, photos, and videos with just a few taps? We've made it incredibly easy for you, so now you can start fresh on your iPhone without leaving anything behind. Before you go, let us share some valuable tips. Bonus tip 1. ***, make sure to turn off chat backup on your old Android device. Chat backup might overwrite your new iPhone backup. To do this on Android, open WhatsApp, tap on Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Then tap on Backup to iCloud and toggle it off. Bonus tip 2. ***, don't forget to enable iCloud Backup for WhatsApp on your iPhone to keep your chat safe. Here's how. Open WhatsApp, tap on Settings, Chat Backup, then tap on Backup to iCloud and toggle it on. We hope these tips will help you make the most out of your WhatsApp transfer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful too. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!